Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set a custom theme for keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Unfortunately, the default Samsung keyboard doesn't have many themes that we can use, and if you want to create a custom theme, then you need to change that keyboard. So in order to do this, we're gonna open the Play Store, and then we're gonna search for Gboard, which is a keyboard made by Google. We're gonna install it. Now let's wait a couple of seconds in order to download and install the app. And after that, of course, we're gonna open it. There we go. Now over here, we need to enable this keyboard in the settings. So let's go over here and then tap on this slider, press OK. And now we can go back. Then we need to select the input method. So here we need to switch to Gboard and then all done. Now over here we can tap theme, and here as you can see we immediately have much more themes to choose from. You can use one of these, you can download them in order to have them and set them. So let's say I'm gonna choose this landscape, because why not? And then as you can see we have the preview, we can enable and disable key borders, and then we can press apply. So now if I go to messages, then I have this custom theme. We can also create our own theme. So if you go to the tab, over here you have this plus button. You can choose your photo as a background for your keyboard. Now over here you can scale, you can drag it to adjust it, and so on and so forth. Once you are done, press next. Over here you can adjust the brightness of the photo, of the background, and then press done. And finally, once again, we can change the key borders. You can also press this pen in order to readjust if needed one more time, and press apply in order to set it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.